Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create text-only posts within TikTok. So you need to tap on this plus button in the, down in the screen, down middle in the screen. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, you need to tap on text. So scroll all the way to the right and tap on text. And as you can see, now you can type something. For example, subscribe to this channel. Something like this, and here you can change the font, as you can see. So you can just use the classic font, typewriter, Comic Sans, serif. You can choose a lot of fonts. For example, let me choose this one, and here you can change the color of the font of the text. Let's do red, for example, and here you can change if you want, or here you can add like borders, like this. Just like we know in Instagram, like this, for example. You can make the text bigger or smaller, and you can center it, put it all the way to the right. When you're done, tap on done. You can add even more text if you want to, just by tapping on this, tap on return, and just type more text if you want to. You can make this even smaller, or just give it another color if you want to, like this. So if you like this, and here you can add music. So as you see, TikTok adds automatically music to the post, but you can change it by tapping on it. As you can see, you can just use one of the popular songs, or you can go to your favorites and you can change the song, or you can just delete it. And yeah, you can just color off the background very easily by tapping on this button on the right of your screen. And when you tap on this one, sticker icon, you can add stickers, for example a poll, non-profit stickers, location, or anything else, emojis even. And when you tap on this on this lock icon, you can change the privacy settings. And when you tap on this kind of YouTube logo, something like that icon, it will save to your draft. So when you're satisfied, you can tap on post to feed, and this will be published as a text only post within TikTok very easily. So if this video was helpful, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.